Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself enough.
I'm just going to go up the yaham as an header. I'm just going to go to my chords, doing my lost. I wouldn't know how to get the show. I guess Salim to be show.
We're very, very excited, aren't we? And Lenny's really excited about being on television. Hold your belly in. And you may sons can be then smear your hook of me post the bottom rabbit.
It is said an enterprising advertising agent is endeavouring to organise nothing less than a football match in which all the contestants belong to the weaker sex. What next?
And Lama is a computer. So Fahiat, because the Jikmishadash notion, Hikmisha the computers be me cointus on a parts on a car, is with the machine. Being a vushed, the washing in a hill factory healer, the rushing the healer, la.
Not afraid to close my eyes. Life's a game made for everyone.
I'm trying to get some publicity about a rowing event I'm going to do. I'm going to try and go to New York, back to Scotland. Cool.
When I'm wiser and I'm older, all this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
And the Miss Moonhouse are at the Navan cry. Og ulike leid gjentuelse an the dag.
I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know.
Good afternoon, Bethesda. Do you hold on a minute? I'll get the nurse for you, please. The pharmacy are on saying that somebody's looking for artificial tears. In Bethesda, you don't need artificial tears. There's plenty. Plenty tears.
When your life's at stake, there's no sense in mucking about. This is the campsite that we're going to leave and head back down to safety from.